In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung soundbar to TV Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using your Samsung soundbar on any TV over Bluetooth is extremely simple. As long as your TV supports Bluetooth audio devices, you will follow the instructions on this video and get it connected. So, go over to the settings on your TV, and usually you will have to find where the option to pair new Bluetooth devices is. If you have a Samsung TV, it is going to be under sound and then sound output. But if you have a TV from another brand or different manufacturer, then it could be on a different menu altogether. So go to the settings, find the sound output category, and you will see Bluetooth speaker list. This is where you will be able to pair up new speakers, including, of course, your Samsung soundbar. Immediately upon going here, now you have to set up your soundbar in Bluetooth pairing mode so that it can be detected by the TV. This will be primarily done using your remote. So on the remote, there will be a pair button. Usually it is going to say pair, or it is going to have a Bluetooth icon, or both. So in this example here, it has both the Bluetooth icon and the pair option. So immediately upon pressing this button, Bluetooth pairing mode will be enabled on your soundbar, and it is going to look for nearby devices to pair with, including of course your TV. So as long as you are on this menu, the TV will search for the soundbar, and the same thing will happen if you press the pair button, allowing them to connect to each other. So you just choose the soundbar from the list, and immediately upon doing this, it is going to remain connected. All of the audio being output by your TV will go over to the soundbar. It is simple to set up, and after this is done, it will remain connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung soundbar to TV Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.